Yes, I definitely need a haircut. No, I'm not wearing a bin bag. And yes, it is very cold. So our previous Discovery Sport we brought and put up a video of last week, sold in 3 days and went out to some lovely new owners today. So we brought another one, which I'm going to show you right now. So this is our new arrival on the website already, and I'm sure will sell equally as quickly as the last one did. So it's a 67 plate SE Tech manual, done just over 100,000 miles with good history. It's gone straight in for an MOT and passed with only one advisory, which is the rear tyre on the near side. So we're going to put a new pair of rear tyres on the car. Just flip my camera upside down so you can see it's got tow bar prep and a back row of seats that don't think they've ever been sat in. They look absolutely brand new. So this one hasn't had the chain done. So we've commissioned our friend Rick over at VR to get it sorted out. So they'll have a new timing chain, full service, and all the bits and pieces that come with that. Probably need a week or so to get that sorted out, but then it'll be ready to go. This is live on the website now. All the details are on there. And as I said, it's an SE Tech model. So you've got keyless entry, keyless start, reverse camera, and power tailgate over a SE model. So if you're in the market for a Discovery Sport, this should be the car for you. I'm getting freezing cold right now doing this video, so I'm going to be really quick. Timing chain done, full service done, new rear tyres, just been MOT'd, decent service history, back seats that have never been sat in, look absolutely immaculate, full valet, everything ready to go. Perfect car for you.